Crafty Kids TV. Today we're going to be making slime, a blindfold challenge for our ingredients. And today we have a special guest making slime with us. And we're all going to use blue food coloring, blue dye. And let's get started. Right. Well, first let us put in our glue. Alright, so now that we got our glues open, Roy already poured his in. Well, we're only going to do half, but that's a whole lot still. So let's pour in my half of the glue. Should we food dye this first? Okay, we'll do food dye first. I'm going to do one drop because I want a light blue. Like maybe just 2 drops. Right, don't squeeze because it already just comes out. Don't squeeze it. I'm going to do 3. I'm going to mix it. I'm going to do 3. This was just for our apple. So I'm going to... I got my light blue that I like. But I actually think I want to make
now I'm going to mix my glue with my food color.
That's better. Alright, now that we got it all mixed up, well, that's a lot. Well, that is. You know, I like when you put in your dye, but first it kind of looks waving in your slime.
Now I'm done mixing my glue.
Us too. Now I'm gonna put on my blindfold.
I wonder how my hands got super.
So here's our options: unicorn head beads, some of that, and some glitter. Got it? So I'm just going to pour the glitter out, and then I'm going to dig my hands in the bag. They're really pretty, too, and these are gold. Okay, hopefully I get fishbowl beads. Just mix that around. Wait, let me put on my... Alright, so put on. Alright, am I ready? Wait, let me sense.
You want to smell it?
Yeah, that's very good.
Fishbowl! Yay! Cool. So now I'm gonna add. We'll wait. So,
All right.
It looks like food dye. You don't mix it all the way.
Hopefully I get
this. Do it. Yay!
my turn. Hopefully I get the golden one. Yay!
Okay, now we're gonna add our things in.
Open.
Can I put it all in? You know, I'm just gonna save some, just a little. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. We have our slime. Now I'm gonna start activating.
It kind of smells like soap, but no.
Yeah. It's borax water. I just heat it up for 30 seconds so we don't waste my time at all. I just decided maybe that's a good amount, and then if it's not enough, you should add a little more. Because look at mine, it's so coming together.
Mine is coming together.
Cool. I need more activator. I need more.
Ooh, mine is coming a lot together. Mine is like almost done.
Mine
Mine looks like it's mine almost done.
very clumpy.
Are we done doing the challenge or not? We don't know if we're done doing the challenge.
Okay, so ours all came together. We just had to add a lot of glue, a lot of water, and a lot of hard work. And look what we accomplished. And Isabel, show them how you stretch it. Show them. Coach, stretch your slime.
We can make a bubble though.
A bubble? Yeah, you can do that. It's not stretchy enough to do that. Mine is.
Oh, see you, girl.
Well, I'll try, I guess. Oh, I think I can make a bubble. I think I can.
Okay. Ooh, first time.
Oh, it has pops. So that means it can make a bubble.
You can see the glitter in it.
I don't think I can make a bubble.
I kind of did it. That's why it's